Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you had to lend something to a person you know. You should say what you lent, when it happened, why he or she asked to borrow the item, and explain how you felt about this. So, as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card, and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So, before we look at a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So, for a question like this, you can use any such idea, like maybe lending some money to someone, or maybe lending your laptop so that your friend or maybe your cousin can complete their assignment on time, or maybe lending your car or motorcycle to someone so that they can go on a trip. Maybe their car broke down or something like that. So you can use any of these ideas for a question like this. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, I am not a person who encourages the habit of temporarily allowing others to use my own things or to ask for stuff that belongs to others and use it momentarily to fulfill my needs like money, car, and so on. But today, I would like to talk about a time when I lent my favorite gown to my friend. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about a time. Also, momentarily means not permanently but just temporarily, just for a moment, okay? Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year, during my summer vacations, my best friend Rita had invited me for a sister's engagement party. Moreover, I had purchased a designer gown for the occasion that had very fine embroidery work along with intricate lace designs and was embellished with stones for the occasion so I could stand out from the crowd. So, as you all can see, we have answered the first 2 questions, which is what you lent and when it happened. We have also used a lot of good adjectives to describe how the gown actually looked. So, we are saying that it was embellished with stones, that means decorated with stones. Intricate lace designs means intricate means something that is very fine. Alright, so let's continue. However, unfortunately, on the engagement day, my friend called me and informed that the dress she was going to wear for the ceremony got burnt while ironing and asked me if she could borrow my dress instead, as she did not have an alternate garment appropriate for the event. So, as you all can see, we have used a lot of synonyms instead of repeating the word gown over and over. We used dress, we used garment, and also instead of repeating the word engagement again and again, we have used a lot of synonyms like occasion, event, ceremony, and all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Alright, so the last question, which is explain how you felt about this, still remains. So let's answer that. Although I was reluctant to give away my dress in the 11th hour, I agreed to lend her my gown for the engagement and arranged some other clothes for myself. So, in the 11th hour is an idiom which means in the last minute. Okay, so you can also add this to your vocabulary list or to your idiom list, and next time when you're practicing speaking, you can try to use it in your conversation because using idioms or less common words increases your band score for the lexical resources part. Finally, I felt over the moon and at the same time quite relieved as I was able to help my friend in her difficult times. So, again, felt over the moon means extremely happy or extremely pleased. So, this is also an idiom. So you can add both these idioms to your idiom list. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.